Hello everyone. So the last time uh, we have done the last time we have done on navbar, right? So but also we want to check our website, how it is looks like, right? So the last time also we create menu. Let's see what our website looks like, right? Yeah, here we are, right? Here our website looks like, right? Okay, so I think this time here we want to delete this one here. Instead of fluid, we needed container here. Good. So at this time, guys, here we have finished on navbar here. So the no, just we want to also to to add something here, right? bg dark, and also here py dash 3, right? Padding. Good. And here you can create, and here you can write nav bar start, right? Started here. Good. And also here can paste it here. Nav bar ends. Nav bar ends. Good. Good here. So nav bar ends. So 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 the second thing, we need also to work on showcase, right? We work on showcase. Good. Work on showcase is good. Here in showcase here, to create showcase here is, right, show showcase showcase start, showcase start here. Showcase ends. Good. In here we need to include many things here. Showcase here, right? We include showcase here, right? We include image, we include paragraph, we include heading. Good. Section dash bg background dash text in text, bg text to be light, text to be light, text to be light. Wells, text to be light. Text center also, we need to put text center, text center, text center, text dash center. Good. Let's click here. Here also we will include container. Container. Inside container we need also have what? We also have div call d. D is display display is more medium. Display is more medium, right? D display sm, right? Dash flex dash text dash aligned, right? Aligned. aligned dash items dash center, right? Dash center. Good. Dash center. we also here also we need justify between justify content dash between we would also need to include div, right? We need to include div here. To include div here, we need also include this div here. We need to include three things: h1 become a programming become web developer right? Web developer. We also web developer did web developer, and also here we need to include what? We need to include paragraph, right? We need to include paragraph. In here you can see class called lead. In here lorem ipsum 10. Good. Lorem ipsum 10 here. So here under paragraph here you need to include bottom here, right? Bottom here class called btn, right? Dash btn, right? Btn dash primary good. In here start the start learning. You could say start learning, right? Start learning. Let's save, Control S, right? Yeah, here we are, right? Here we are, guys. Good. So we need to change this instead of to be light. We need this one to be dark, right? To be dark. That's you need it, right? To be dark. Good. So to be dark here, but also before we change something here, before we change background here, we need to include our image, right? We need to include our image here. Good. We need to include our image here, right? Image. Good. In here, image. Yes, you need to type our image, maybe 1 2 2, right? In here, let's save it. Save. Yes, here we are, guys. our image is so bigger, so we want to do something here, right? Want to change this size. Good. And here you can add class. Good. Here you can add class call rounded, right, dash star. Good. Save. It has gone where? Good. And here image dash, good, image dash fluid width 50, right, dash display to be known, display to be known, also display, good, display to be block, right, and also display to be block, right, display to be known, this not small, display dash sm dash block. Good. So I think something has gone wrong here, right? We can fix that. SR. Good. Let's save. Let's see what website looks like. Yeah, here we are, guys. Good. Here we are. You can change it to 2. Right. Want to see different image. Good. So perfect. So in here, instead of this section, we want to be dark, right? To be dark. And text to be light. Good. This section want to be dark, right? BG. Good. Text light. Text to be light, but also we want to change BG background dark. That's it. Yes, here we are, guys. Yes, we did. Yeah, this is our website looks like. All right. Let's see on browser. It's small on small browser. Good. When you click here, perfect.
She is black, she is proud and she knows it. She is cool and everybody likes it. She is bold and she's very, very humble. She is strong and can never fumble. She is courageous, a Sagittarius, the kind of woman I can take so serious. She's got the fire in her eyes that when you look at her, you will realize beauty is a natural thing, original thing and a mysterious thing. Raise up my voice and sing. I thank the Lord for a beauty queen. Cause your black is beautiful. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, more.